Hi, we are Alan and Sally Atkins. We live north of Halsey, Nebraska. We run a cow-calf operation here as well as a backgrounding operation. We've decided to retire and we have sold the ranch. We've been here a little over 50 years, probably 3 years.
We've always been strong advocates for the beef industry, and that's not going to stop just because we won't be here in an active way. We're strong believers also in paying it forward to the next generation. So we have found a wonderful young family that will carry on the legacy for us, and we're very excited about that. And being able to see things move on in a positive manner is very important to us. We chose BigIron to be able to sell all of our equipment. It's been very important to Al and to all the people that have worked for us to take very good care of everything and make sure that we're able to have the equipment we need to do the diverse things that we've done here on the ranch. And I think that will reflect that in the way BigIron has organized it for sale, and we hope that it serves everybody else as well as it served us.
We always had a dream of ranching, and we fulfilled our dream, and I call it being blessed to be able to do this.